It's recording. Hi, let's play March in G from Suzuki book number 2, okay? And this piece has some shifting into second position, but it's not too bad, really. So you're going to be just fine. Let's play it, and then we'll talk about it, okay? I like to start to get my hand in position by playing an open G, fourth finger G. Bring our first finger to the A string, and we're ready to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, up, down, lift the bow, down bow, crescendo, up, down, lift the bow, lift the bow, lift the bow, short, short, lift the bow beginning. Crescendo, short, lift the bow. Second ending. 3, 4. Crescendo. Rest, rest. Up bow. Rest, rest. Rest, lift. Lift, lift. Go ahead, back up and practice along with this recording again. Slow it down if you need to. If you want to. We're going to talk about all the shifts right now and all the tricky passages. First of all, almost all of the measures, almost all the 4-bar measures end up with a short, short, long, and then you lift the bow back to the frog for the next section. So make sure you do that. Next section is measure 11. We're going to be on a 4th finger A. This is second position. In my brain, I'm on a 4th finger A, but I'm also on a 2nd finger G. And that's really what I think about when I do that, okay? So check your G 2nd finger. That's how you make sure that that always works. Next section, measure 14 for that shift. Stop the bow on the C. Are you stopped? If you're stopped, now we're going to shift on the 1st finger up to an F sharp. Play it. Let's go back to the E. Up to the F sharp. Back to the E. Now stop the bow. Go up to the F sharp and drop your 4th finger on an A. And that's how a shift works. We shift on this 1st finger, old finger, to get to the new position. Does that make sense? I don't know. You can't answer me, but I hope it makes sense. Okay, the next section to talk about is measure 22. Now this is a big moment because that shift happens really fast. Up bow also, it's a weird measure. So up bow, same shift, up to an F sharp. Up bow, don't play the F sharp, but play it with your 1st finger just in your brain. Place your 4th finger A. Back to 1st position. We'll do that together. 22, 2, 3, 4. That's good technique. Now let's start this 8th note passage because it's kind of tough. Now from right here is a difficult section. If you can play that, you've pretty much got it. Check out my 4th finger. It does not move. Stays. Same shift up to F sharp. Instead of a So first, you're going to play 4, 1, open in second position. Now the last one is not tricky. It's the last two measures. 1. Shift on this first finger up to a C sharp this time on the A string and drop your fourth finger to the D string. Together. B. Do that in your head. And then fourth finger A. Shift on the A string, place on the D string. Okay. Make sure you practice this a bunch.